This 2026 ultra-luxury Titan motorhome is designed to look powerful, futuristic, and absolutely premium from every angle. The front exterior shows a bold aerodynamic shape with a massive chrome grille, smooth flowing curves, and an elevated high-roof cabin that makes this motorhome stand out instantly. The LED headlight system is ultra-sharp, giving a modern and aggressive presence on the road, while the sculpted hood and mirror finish side panels reflect a true high-class engineering touch. The side profile features extended slide-outs, full-pane tinted windows, and seamless body lines that add a sleek and premium look. The motorhome sits on heavy-duty chrome alloy wheels that complement the long structure and provide stability, comfort, and balance even on long highway journeys. Moving toward the rear, the motorhome features multi-layer LED tail lamps, integrated safety lighting, and aerodynamic rear shaping that reduces wind drag. Every exterior component, from the roof-mounted sensors to the lower chrome guards, is designed for durability and style. The high-gloss metallic paint combined with precision detailing gives the motorhome a luxury super coach appearance. The overall exterior stance delivers power like a big rig and elegance like a luxury home on wheels. This 2026 Titan motorhome is built for people who want unmatched presence, next-level living space, and a travel experience that feels premium every second on the road. Inside the 2026 Titan motorhome, the steering cabin is designed like a futuristic cockpit. The driver's seat features premium leather upholstery, full electric adjustments, and a wide digital dashboard that displays navigation, vehicle status, and smart driving assistance. The panoramic windshield gives a clear open road view, and ambient LED lighting wraps around the cabin, making long-distance travel feel comfortable and relaxing. The steering wheel has integrated controls for media, road assist, and cruise modes, while the noise-insulated cabin keeps the environment peaceful even at highway speeds. Moving into the lounge and bedroom area, you feel the true essence of luxury. The bedroom has a full-size premium bed with memory foam mattress, overhead cabinets, soft ambient lighting, and side windows that bring natural light inside. The interior walls are finished with modern textures, giving the room a clean and relaxing atmosphere. There's also integrated storage, a smart TV, and climate control that makes the bedroom comfortable in any weather. The kitchen is beautifully designed with modern appliances, including a built-in microwave, induction stove, deep sink, refrigerator, and polished countertop space. High-quality cabinets offer ample storage, and the cooking area has LED task lighting to make food preparation easy. The kitchen layout is compact but fully functional, giving you the comfort of a home kitchen while traveling. The washroom brings true luxury with its enclosed shower cabin, modern sink, premium fixtures, and ventilation system. The space is bright, clean, and thoughtfully designed with storage compartments and a soft-touch door system. The washroom ensures you get a fresh and comfortable experience just like in a modern home. From every angle, the 2026 Titan motorhome looks like a masterpiece of engineering and luxury travel. The front angle shows power and road presence, the side angle highlights its extended body, large windows, and luxury profile, and the rear angle presents a clean, modern design with LED detailing. The underglow chrome, smooth edges, and aerodynamic roofline make it visually stunning. Inside, every angle reveals premium comfort, from the cockpit view to the lounge, bedroom, kitchen, and washroom. The lighting, furniture layout, and overall finish create a perfect balance of style and practicality. Whether it's the top view, rear slide-outs, side doors, or the full extended interior space, every angle reflects true American-style motorhome luxury built for 2026.